my good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Regina Joseph, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. As usual, we are in my kitchen. Remember, this is Regina Joseph kitchen where I cook, I taste and test whatever I cook. And today it's very cold, and I want to prepare lunch for my family. And today, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. Today, I want to cook rice. And I have my onions, my carrots, I have got my hoho, those are my tomatoes. You can see my coriander, this is my cooking oil. I have my salt, I have my Royco cube, and here comes my rice. I have peeled my potatoes, and lastly, those are the beans. Those are the ingredients that we are going to use today. Today we have to eat rice, and I want to show you how to prepare. And the first step, let me heat my sufuria so that I can put my cooking oil. And my people, thank you very much for subscribing for me. Thank you also for commenting, for liking, and for sharing. May our good God bless you. Kindly, my people, make me reach 1,000, and I very, very, very appreciate. And we are low to 700 subscribers. Kindly give your friend to subscribe, and your friend will also share my YouTube channel so that I get so many subscribers. And my sufuria is already heated. The first step I'm going to do is to put my cooking oil. I do love waiting for my cooking oil to heat well so that when I put my onions, they will not take a lot of time and they will not soak in the cooking oil. Let's continue waiting. And let's put our red onions. You have to keep on turning so that your onions will cook all the sides. Let's wait for the onions to turn golden brown, and then I'm going to put my other ingredients. My onions is well cooked. It is already golden brown. And you can see the remaining ingredients. You have to put carrots. I put carrot first. Let us stir. And now I'll put hohos. Let me now put my tomato. Let's wait for tomatoes to soften. And by doing that, I will cover. And let me start preparing my Royco cube. And because we are cooking beans, and I want to make them so delicious, I put the Royco cube. I have to make my soup very deep. And now, because of saving time, let me put light water here. I have already measured. That is my water. Let me first of all cover so that it can boil. As I stand here, let's check if our tomatoes are softened. Let me now rinse my potatoes. And then I will mix here. We are going to cover, and it's now time for me to put my Royco cubes. As well as my salt. Let us start. And in my next pot, I'm going to put salt. As well as I have to pour some cooking oil. I am going to cover, and I'm going to wait the water to boil so that I can put my rice. And here I'm also going to cover. Let's wait for them to boil. I'm still checking. It's now time to go to the sink and wash my rice. I've already selected. You can see how clean it is. And now let me clean. My rice is clean. And now I'm going to check my water and see if it's already boiled. Not yet. Let me put it there. And now the next step, I'll be putting my beans. These are already boiled beans. I'll put them here. And I'm going to stir. You have to stir well. Let us cover so that when I start feeling that it's sticking on my sufuria, that is the time that I'm going to put water. My water is already boiled. And now it's time for me to put my rice. Let's start. And now let's check the salt. Yeah, it is good. I am going to cover and wait for the rice to cook. Right now, I will not reduce the heat. I will first of all cook with that heat. And as it boils, that's time that I'm going to reduce the heat. And on my other sufuria, let me check how my stew is doing. And I can see that it's sticking on my sufuria. Let me now put water because our stew must have soup. And let's cover and wait for the potatoes to cook well. And then you're going to see the next step. My food is properly cooked. Now let's garnish using our coriander. I'm telling you, my people, today we have to make our food extra delicious. And this is the stew. And that is what we'll be eating with our rice. Let me set here. And here comes our rice. And as usual, Regina Joseph has to taste what he has cooked. Let me take it straight. I have to make sure I taste my food. That is my rice. I love covering. Here comes my stew. And that is what I will be eating today for lunch. the food. And now it's time for me to taste so that I can serve my family. I do love tasting first. The rice is properly cooked. The stew, super delicious. The salt, the cooking oil, everything is well balanced. And this is what I wanted to cook today. And my people, try cooking this recipe to your family and they really appreciate. And I'm telling you, they really enjoy that they have to thank you. And kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Regina Joseph. Continue subscribing, continue viewing, continue sharing, and God will always bless you. Let's meet in another video. Bye. Let me continue enjoying my food so that my family can eat. And you, my YouTubers, I know you have learned something good. Bye bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.